This is the 2022 Thor Tellaro 20A. In this video, we'll be demonstrating how to use the propane system. This system provides propane so the hot water, cabin heat, and stove function properly. Begin by opening the propane tank. This is done by pushing the red toggle switch under the propane sticker on the side of the van. It will illuminate when in the on position. The water and cabin heater are turned on from the Truma panel, which is right above the BM Pro. Begin by pressing the round button to activate. Turn the knob clockwise until the water thermometer icon flashes. Press the button to secure your selection. The panel will indicate the water heater is off. Turn the dial until the panel reads Eco and press to secure the selection. The top left corner of the Truma panel will show a flashing thermometer in water icon. This indicates that the water is heating. When the water is fully heated, the icon will stop flashing. It takes about 20 minutes for the water to heat, so plan ahead. To turn the water heater off, press the round button on the Truma panel to activate. Turn the knob counter clockwise until the water thermometer icon flashes. Press the button to secure your selection. Turn the dial until the panel read Off and press to secure the selection. To use the stove, begin by lifting the glass cover. There are 2 knobs and 1 button in the controls area of the stove. The left knob controls the left burner, the right knob controls the right burner, and the button is the ignition switch that lights the burners. Twist the knob for the burner you want to use to the light position, then push the ignition button. The stove will make a clicking sound, indicating that propane is flowing. Once the burner lights, twist the knob to the desired heat levels. When you are finished, twist the knob counter clockwise past the light indicator to the off position. To close the stove, wait until the burners are completely cooled, then slightly lift the glass cover and gently lower to cover the stove. There is a smoke detector behind the stove on the ceiling. Do not disable this. If there is too much smoke, it will go off. We recommend cooking anything with meat or oil in it outside with a portable camp stove, grill, or campfire. This will also reduce cleanup time and effort. For heating the cabin, press the round button on the Truma panel to activate. Turn the knob clockwise until the RV icon flashes. Press the button to secure your selection. Turn the dial to activate the thermostat. Keep turning until you reach the desired temperature and press the knob to secure the selection. The RV icon will then begin flashing. The top left corner of the Truma panel will show a flame icon. This indicates that the cabin heater is on. To adjust the fan setting for the heat, press the button on the Truma panel to activate. Turn the knob clockwise until the fan icon flashes. Press the button to secure your selection. Turn the dial to select either Eco or high fan speed and press the button to secure your selection. The fan is quiet, so you may not hear it, but it is running. To turn the cabin heat off, press the round button on the Truma panel to activate. Turn the knob until the RV icon flashes. Press the button to secure your selection. Turn the dial counter clockwise until the panel reads Off and press to secure the selection. There are 4 heating vents. 1 under the passenger seat in the cab portion of the van, 1 in the very back behind the bed on the driver's side of the van, 1 in the hallway between the bed and bathrooms, and 1 in the bathroom. When running the cabin heater, be sure to open the door to the bathroom so the heat can come out into the living space of the van. When you are done using the propane, be sure to close the tank by pressing the red toggle switch on the outside of the van so it is no longer illuminated. If you enjoyed this video or learned something new, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more videos on how to use the Thor Tellaro. Thanks for keeping it here at Mystic Wayfinders, where you can find your way when away from home.